Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video about email scan feature of Avision scanner. This video applicable to all models of Avision scanner. Requirement: PC or laptop. Avision scanner, scanner driver and button manager, application software. Link of application software provided in description box. Previously we used Gmail's Less Secure Apps feature to configure button manager software. But as Google stops Less Secure Apps feature, we are going to use the new way to configure our button manager software. So let's get started. Open a browser and log in your Gmail address. After login, go to myaccount.google.com. From here go to security option and make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. Then find app password or search from top for app password. Go to app password and see if there is any third-party apps accessing your Gmail. There is no third-party app listed here. Now from select app option we will select other, custom name, option. Naming this as button manager. After clicking on generate button, Google will provide us a 16-digit password for third-party app access to our Gmail. Store this password safely and at your own risk. Anyone can access your Gmail with this password without two-step verification. Open Button Manager and right-click on number 4 Program to customize email option. Remember, for the first use we have to customize and configure email in Button Manager software. From here click on Configuration button. Set here sender mail address, whom you want send the mail, and also can make CC for others. Add subject and body message as your preference. Now jump to SMTP server tab. Here set your SMTP server address and port number. Here I am using Gmail SMTP server. Tick on both the checkboxes. Provide your account details here. In password option here put the password generated for app password. Click on Test button to check configuration. If the configuration is successful, a demo file will be sent to mail and a success message will appear here. Check receiver mail address for confirmation. After checking, click OK to close configuration tab. Set resolution and check other settings from here. In File Format option, select your desired scan document file format. Select multiple page PDF to save all scanned pages in a single PDF file. After completing customization, click OK and prepare for scan. Place document on your scanner and click on email option from button manager to scan your document. A progress bar of scan status will be shown. The status bar will disappear after the scan completes. The scanned document has been sent by mail. For demo I am showing the receiver's mail inbox and scan file snap. For customization we will click right button and to scan we will use left button. Also you can use Twain interface to customize scan options. From Image Adjustment tab, brightness, color profile can be changed. In Image Processing tab, images can be rotated or flipped. Enable blank page removal option and minimize threshold to 10% to remove blank pages automatically for document scanners. Enjoy scanning and easily send your document by mail using Button Manager. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.